A hard reset or factory reset restores your T-Mobile router to its original settings, erasing custom configurations like Wi-Fi passwords and port forwarding rules. It's different from a simple reboot because it wipes all user-configured data to resolve issues like slow speeds, firmware corruption, or login problems. Think of it as a last resort when simpler solutions don't work. While it fixes many common problems, remember, you'll need to reset up your router afterward. Be aware that T-Mobile has implemented enhanced security, including automated encryption resets during the process to reduce cyber threats. First, power on your router. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole on the back or side. Use a paperclip to press and hold it for 10 to 20 seconds until the lights indicate a reset is in progress. For Nokia routers, hold exactly 15 seconds until the power light flashes red and white. After the reset, connect to the default Wi-Fi network, usually named T-Mobile Home Internet, followed by the serial number. The password is on the device label. Open a web browser and go to the admin panel at 192.168.1 or 192.168.12.1. Log in with the default credentials, often admin for both username and password, or check the label. Follow the on-screen prompts to activate your router with your T-Mobile account and set up a new Wi-Fi password. Finally, test your internet connection and check for firmware updates in the admin panel to ensure optimal performance.